order to marinate the chicken, I've put some ghee, I think 3 or 4 teaspoons. And now I'm going to put some hara dhania. It's the sukha hara dhania. And I've also added some laung, 1 green chili, and some, like a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna toss it and then keep it in the fridge. Just added like a little bit of ginger garlic paste, that's it. I'm just gonna toss it again, keep it in the fridge for 15-20 minutes till the time I get my masala ready. Okay, so now I have taken 3 small medium-sized onions and I'm just gonna chop them. So sorry, I missed few steps. So I put in ghee and then some fennel seeds and laung, and then I put in my chopped onions. So if you can see, they are not finely chopped but roughly chopped actually. So basically put in all the masalas, okay, namak, haldi, lal mirch, everything, whatever you think is fine for your biryani. So I'm keeping it very basic. I'm gonna add a few more tomatoes. Now that the masala is ready, I'm just gonna put the chicken along with the ghee. Isn't that yummy? Is just bonify the chicken, and then when the chicken is 95% cooked, you can make biryani. So let's wait. Look how beautiful the chicken is looking. Yummy. Rice, I've taken 1 glass of rice and a lot of water because I'm just gonna boil the rice just 80-85%, and I put in some laung, fennel seeds and elaichi. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it boil. Now so my chicken is all ready. Rice is boiling. I'm just gonna do the plating. Taken this vessel and I've put in some ghee again, a little bit of rice, like first layer of rice, and then I'm gonna put chicken. And then put some chicken and dhania, and I'm gonna repeat all these steps.